Don't die.
Done! I didn't get a picture of you
That's
yet.
just adding fuel to the fire right there, though. How's that a good idea right now?
I got a Freddy Cougar. I got a Freddy Cougar shirt.
I'm Jacob Ryan. I'm a dumbass.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Welcome to 2012, the land of the brave, the land of the idiots, and the land of the stupid. My name is Jacob, Stuntman Professional, and here we are. We're going to do the Sparks Challenge, and I'm going to catch myself on fire because the Red Bull No Limit was lame.
Let's do
Here we go. Oh, not yet! I got to put on my mask.
Count down from 5.
Do you have a lighter? They have my lighter.
3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!